perpetual and compulsive repetition of words, of reckoning and calculating. I'm not saying that thinking is bad. Like everything else, is useful in moderation. A good servant, but a bad master. And all so-called civilized peoples have increasingly become crazy and self-destructive because through excessive thinking they have lost touch with reality. That's to say, we confuse science with the real world.
Beginning of meditation.
Most of us would have rather money than tangible wealth, and a great occasion is somehow spoiled for us unless photographed. And to read about it the next day in the newspaper is oddly more fun for us than the original event.
Taking a chance, making it happen or fall with the rest. I hear the reviews, I listen to them say they're fully impressed. Making more money, my happiness less. Took what I love and I put to the test. Everyone saying that they're the one next. I wanna be better than best. I never regret, I never forget anything I've ever done. I'm playing my story from start till I finish. I'm taking this game for a run. Not checking my funds, I'm thinking the low. I just stay working my lyrical flow. One day I'll pay off, they'll pay me to go and travel the world, straight killing these shows. Yeah, leave me alone. Feeling like my time is always gone. They coming back from work, it's back to working when I'm home. Don't text my phone, I'm in my zone. I play the beat, my mind will roam. It's all just running through my head like in the morning when you comb. Cause heartbreak turns into all the music I make. Feelings come from negatives, things change. Good luck trying to stop it. Taking action, y'all just keep on tacking. Yeah, you know I'll never give up. I don't quit that easy, people kill trust. Damn, they get so greedy, you can fill up on all the people loving you, but it still won't heal the ones that keep fucking cutting you.
Time slows down for no one. This life isn't for everyone. I want to be someone. Stand my ground till my feet turn numb from the love I traded. Fast life forever faded. Old life is outdated. Upgraded.
Yeah.
Pray my music makes it.
With the real world.